In just over a year since President Obama signed the historic Health Care Reform Act. Now, as Rhode Island is gearing up for epic changes to our health care system, many Republicans are looking to repeal that law. But one health care leader says doing away with the law could hurt Rhode Island. Eyewitness News reporter Tim White is here now with the details, new at 6.
President and CEO of Tufts Health Plan, James Roosevelt, was tapped by Governor Lincoln Chafee to help the state get up to speed with the new law by 2014. A guest on this week's Newsmakers, Roosevelt says Rhode Island needs to get its act together to tap into federal money. With a new political climate in Washington, D.C., many members of the GOP are trying to cripple or even repeal President Barack Obama's landmark Health Care Reform Act.
There's a real need, particularly in a state with high unemployment or a state with many uninsured, and there would be great benefit for Rhode Island that would be lost if the bill is repealed.
CEO of Massachusetts-based Tufts Health Plan, James Roosevelt, says his company has studied the law's impact, and those already insured should expect to pay more.
There will be a small cost, probably about 1.5% to 2.5% of people's premiums.
But news today that one aspect of the year-old law is already running low on cash. The $5 billion early retiree reinsurance program is no longer accepting new entrants, even though it was supposed to be up for 3 more years. Did they underestimate the overall cost of the bill then, if they couldn't get that right?
You know, until we do it, we won't know. It doesn't seem that way, but it's very hard when you go into a new area like that to project that way. And it's possible that there will need to be more adjustments.
Roosevelt, who is the grandson of the late President Franklin Delano Roosevelt, says universal health care has been a family passion for more than a century. He says he still has handwritten notes from his grandfather from the 30s outlining health care as part of Social Security. Tim White, Eyewitness News.